Today I want to share with you this recipe. My mom used to do it for us, for my brother and I when we were children. I have learned actually from my brother, but this one has some improvements. Not improvements, but some changes. But if it's something nutritious and fast and fun and with colors and some, I don't know, improvisations that you can do, I always enjoy it. So I'm going to read the ingredients, okay? Oats, milk, or rice milk or almond milk if you can't drink milk or if you are vegan. And then chia, bee pollen, honey. My brother, for example, he used sugar, but I don't eat sugar, so I always put honey. You can put sugar or honey. So if you're a vegan, maybe you don't want to follow this recipe. This is just for vegetarians, okay? I'm sorry. And then raisins and cinnamon. So oats, milk or almond milk, chia, bee pollen, honey, 1 egg, and raisins and cinnamon, okay? So here we go. So my brother suggested, like, okay, why you just don't focus in other stuff that is not recipes? Because he knows that I'm not very strong in the kitchen. But what I like to share is simple things that I do and that they are all nutritious, very healthy, because I have celiac and I am a vegetarian, so maybe you can have some ideas, right? If you are, in my case, if you are at least vegetarian or if you have celiac, okay? So let's do it. I'm not very good for the amounts, but I will say, because I always do it like by feeling, but okay, let's do 1 cup. I think 1 cup is good enough. I don't want to make a lot. Well, I'm going to do a little bit more. Just even cold, they are very good. So like this. So I put 1.5 cups. Okay, so then we put the egg. And 1, 2, and I'm going to put 3 of chia. And then those are the raisins. It depends of you how many you're going to put. I put everything because I like raisins. And then this is the pollen, the bee pollen, that is very good for, as you know, it relieves inflammation and reduces stress. It has lots of antioxidants and it boosts the liver health, and it's good for the immune system too. So that's why I always add bee pollen to almost everything, to my milkshakes, to lots of things. But it's a little bit strong, the flavor, so you don't want to exaggerate. Okay, then we put the milk, just like this, which this is really, you have to calculate, depends of the amount of oats that you have. Actually, as you could see, I had kind of like a half of glass of milk, but I have to add more. So just to give it a consistency that I'm going to show you in a minute. And then you put honey as much as you want. I like very sweet. And then you just shake like that. Oh, you know what? I forgot the cinnamon. So I'm going to put the cinnamon. And that's it. So I'm going to show you the consistency, okay? That you have to have. I like this old pan because, I don't know, it is very practical for me.